Hi, my name's Jordan, aka Snowball, and today I'm gonna cough while my cat's asleep. I'm actually just get crap scared, to be honest with you. Alright, here we go. Take what's the word for it? I'll say take one. Right, so this is for you. I know which where my cat is because it's a nice type of couch. It's a bit hard to see me cat like. There we go, there's my cat. Right, so there's my cat.